Welcome to our overview of the Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA Small and Light program. In this video, we'll go over what the FBA Small and Light program is, its benefits and eligibility requirements, and how to enroll your products in the program. FBA Small and Light helps reduce the cost of fulfilling orders for small and lightweight FBA inventory priced $10 or less per item. Products enrolled in the program are eligible for free shipping to Prime customers and standard shipping for non-Prime customers. If you're currently fulfilling orders yourself, signing up for FBA Small and Light can help reduce your operating costs. Before enrolling in Small and Light, you must first add FBA to your Amazon seller account. To enroll in Small and Light, start by clicking the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central. Hover over Inventory, then click Manage FBA Inventory. Near FBA Inventory Tools, click FBA Opportunities. On the next page, locate and click the Enroll in Small and Light link near the top of the page. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Get Started. From here, you can learn more about the Small and Light program as well as enroll and disenroll your products. Under Enroll Products, click the Quick Enroll button to check product eligibility and enroll up to 100 products. You can also enroll additional products by downloading our Small and Light product template, filling it out, and uploading it on this page. To disenroll any products, click Disenroll Products and follow the page's guidance. Remember, to be eligible for FBA Small and Light, your products must be $10 or less. Your products can't be classified as dangerous goods, hazardous goods, or adult products. Your products must also not be sensitive to temperature conditions like chocolates or other perishables are. Used products are also ineligible, so ensure your products are in new condition. The weight of each product must be 3 pounds or fewer, measure fewer than 18 by 14 by 8 inches, and follow specific packaging criteria. For more information on prep and packaging for small and light products, search for the help page Small and Light Prep and Packaging Guide in Seller Central. This concludes our overview of FBA Small and Light. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.